Hi everyone, my name is Kim. I am the Academic Programs Coordinator within the Division of Clinical Anatomy. We're outside of our building right now, so let me go on and show you my cube.
All right, this is where all the magic happens. So I do a lot of different things in my role. A lot of the things that I do revolve around course administration. So you'll see all of my course schedules here, which help keep me organized. But I very quickly started to make my desk homey. So I've got a lot of pink. My favorite animals are giraffes, if you couldn't tell. So I have giraffes all over the place. When I first started at anatomy, I made these felted dissections, and then I just recently made the dancing skeletons there. And I'm very proud about my wedding, so I wanted to show that off to everyone as well. I've got a couple of other crafts around. Right here I have my anatomy Christmas tree. I keep it up year round. And I made all of these felt and plaster ornaments here of anatomy. Sometimes when this job gets really stressful, I have a couple of different stress balls to choose from. I could take a chill pill, or I can squeeze my brains out. And then when I feel like I'm dying, I can squeeze onto the casket. Last Halloween, I made my costume. I was a flaming dumpster fire. So my coworker gave me an emotional support dumpster fire and my pencil cup. All right, well, I hope you liked the tour. I could spend all day talking, but I've got a lot of work to do, so have a good day.